Hey there, and welcome to my outdoor office here in Bonaventure Cemetery. We've got a storm coming in, so I'm going to be pretty brief. But I recently asked the members of my Facebook group what their biggest challenges were with painting outside, painting plein air. And the comments ranged all the way from what's the perfect pochade box, the paint box, newsflash, there is no such thing, to what panels to use. But at the heart of the questions, there was a lot of anxiety about just getting started. So I want to focus on 3 things today that will make your outdoor painting a whole lot more pleasurable and anxiety-free. So first off, I want you to think about keeping it light. And I don't mean value-wise. I mean keep it not heavy. So pack less than you think you'll need. Hauling 30 pounds of stuff when you only really need about 3 pounds of it is not going to make it a refreshing experience. Instead, it'll make it profoundly frustrating. Trying to carry all that stuff is hard. So if it's heavy, take it out. It should fit in a backpack, like the one you would give to a first grader to carry. So no heavy stuff. Keep it to 5 or 6 pounds and what you can carry on your back and in one hand. Because I know you're going to cheat and you're going to add more stuff and try to carry it all with 2 hands. Put stuff back on the shelf. You really don't need it. Second thing, keep it simple. You absolutely do not need every tube of green that is in your studio. In fact, you're going to be better off if you take just the double primary palette and a tube of flake white replacement. Keep it simple. It's less to carry. You only need 2 to 3 panels per session, so don't carry 16 canvases out there. Take one for a mess up, one for a great painting, and one for I have extra time. Make sure that you always carry something or have a way to carry those wet panels back in. Now, if you're only carrying 1 or 2, you can carry it in your hands because everything else is on your back. See, there's a reason for that backpack. If you've got more space, then you can get a panel carrier like a Raymar panel box. They're fantastic. I have one right here in the back of my car, and I carry that with my backpack when I go out a lot of times as well. So have something to carry around your panels with. Paint with a knife. That's a whole lot easier than trying to carry brushes and clean it up afterwards. Somebody asked me what to do about cleaning up your brushes when you're out painting. I don't, because I'm painting with a palette knife when I'm painting plein air. It's so much easier to haul in and carry out. Think about getting something like the RGM number 6181 or the 106. I usually just start out with a big knife. That's the 105 or 106 or 109. And then the smaller one, the flat-ended one, in order to mix the paint. You can do almost anything with those 2 knives. And with the wipe of a paper towel, cleanup is done. Third and final tip is keep it comfortable. So remember, these can be studies for studio paintings. They don't have to be Leonardo da Vinci's great masterpiece. So take that pressure off right away. And remember, they do not have to be perfect. They just need to be done. So allow yourself some space and some time to make a mess. Lord knows I've done that. Give yourself some time to make bad paintings and know that you don't have to listen to all those passersby who stop to give you comments. Put your earbuds in and you don't even have to notice that they're there. Don't even have to turn the music on. Just pretend like you've got it on by having those earbuds in. They don't even need to connect to anything. So keep it simple, keep it light, and keep it comfortable. Remember, there's no better place to start plein air painting than your own backyard. So if you've got a backyard or a deck, test it out there first and get comfortable there when there's nobody else around watching you. making you feel a little anxious and get that performance anxiety going. It'll keep Ned Know-It-All away if you're on your own back deck. This is a great time to be outside observing natural light and color. Even on a cloudy day like this, there's still plenty to paint. There's no such thing as bad light. So load up and get out there to paint, even if it's just out your back door. And if you've got any thoughts or questions about this, drop them into the comments below. And I'm going to have a couple of things to share with y'all later after I get back to the studio. Let me see if we have any comments that have come in. Hey, Mary Arneson, it's good to see you, and Kim Smith. So y'all take care. Have a great afternoon and stay comfortable. The gnats are starting to come in. Hey, Dana. Don't worry about being nervous about plein air. Just dive in and do it somewhere where you feel really comfortable, where nobody's going to be looking over your shoulder. Get started in your own backyard, and then you don't have to worry about that. I know lots of people get the nerves and go in and get anxious about it. It's that performance anxiety of performing in front of people. Because, yeah, people will stop, people will comment, and people will ask questions. That's a good thing. But if you really are nervous about doing that, just put on your earbuds, and then you don't even have to acknowledge that they're there. Most people, when they see earbuds in, know that somebody wants to be left alone, and they'll keep on moving by. So just dive in and get started, Dana. Let us know how it goes. Hey, Elizabeth, it's good to see you. So again, if y'all have any other questions or comments, pop them into the comments here below, and then also look forward to talking with you again later. Yeah, Janie, the earbuds really help. And if you've got music, you can put on something relaxing and calming like Enya that keeps your anxiety at bay. Anything that helps you to just dive on in. So I'm getting ready to have to pack up to escape the thunderstorm that's moving in here in Savannah. Y'all take care and have a great rest of the afternoon. Bye-bye for now.